Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing no oil kamote cue. This is a delicious Filipino delicacy that I know you're gonna love. So let's get started. On a cold pan, we're gonna pour some Demerara sugar. We're just doing a thin layer, but however much you wanna do is up to you. We're gonna put our sweet potato slices on top. We just washed and brushed our sweet potato, no need for peeling. We're gonna sprinkle some more sugar on top, but again, however much you wanna do is up to you. We're gonna put our skillet onto 200 and set the timer for 15 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy cooking. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Neolife Health System Ltd. Put the lid on. And when there's about 3 minutes to go, we're gonna flip it for an even brown color. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Usually we have to deep fry, but with Saladmaster, there's no need for oil. Depending on how thick your slices are, you can add more time if needed. And we are done. No oil kamote cue, perfectly done in our electric skillet.